Okay, so we are about to cook these guys up. We'll check. We've got to double check that everything's in the right spot. No matter how many times, it's always best. Okay, so we've got these 2 sidekicks and we've got 2 RADs. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to place the first board into the hot plate. Don't want to drop anything. There you go, it's a nice view of it. I'm going to double check it one last time. Okay. We can just get it into focus. You might get an idea what it looks like on the hot plate there. If I could get the right angle, but appears not to be. We get some kind of a view. There you go. We've got it. So yeah, that's it sitting there and ready to go. The heat on. So yeah, we've got the heat on the bottom of the pan, hot plate, and it's going to heat the board from the bottom, and all these little solder joints will start melting, and then we'll switch off the heat and we'll take it off, and then we'll solder in the other components, which are the buttons and the header and then the Raspberry Pi. So we'll heat it up for a bit. It's going to take a few minutes, and as it starts to melt, I'll bring you back. So yeah, we'll just have a look at go. Don't see any changes yet, but you probably will see that you've got some kind of shrinkage happening. Let's see if we can straighten this out a bit. Doesn't seem to be letting me. So yeah, still going. I'll bring you back again when we get closer. Okay, we getting close or what? Doesn't want to. There you go. Any moment now we should start seeing something. Yeah, have a look at the capacitors. I think they're starting to, yeah, starting to shine. There you go. And you'll see the solder is melting all around. Move this a bit to even the heat. That's it, it's more straight on now. See, they're all starting to melt. It's hard to tell from this angle when we change the lighting. No. Also make sure you have adequate ventilation. We have a fan going in the background. They look like they're pretty much well cooked. So I think we were pretty happy with that. We'll just turn off the heat and we'll be back. Okay, so you can see here it's nicely all melted. So right there, see, this is the melt. And that's this part of it done. We're just going to need to cook up the other boards. So same situation here. We're heating up the RAD. And yeah, it'll just heat up and then it'll melt quite quickly and then it'll be done. There you go, you can see it's melting as we speak, as I speak. And oops, nearly dropped it. The last thing I want to do is drop it when it's all molten, because that'll just, everything will just slide off. But you see everything's nice and straightened out. So I think we're quite happy here with this. Yeah. Okay, so take the heat off. And if you're wondering how to get it off the stove, off the heat, you can just let it cool down, or you can use a spatula to carefully remove it.